Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software. You can see I choose this drawing. The base dimension is 145, 72 and height is 25 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select center rectangle, give the dimension 145 and 72. (145, 72). Finish sketch. Just change the dimension. This is 72. This is 145. Extrude up to 25 mm. After that, one flange, height is 90 minus 25, thickness is 36 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select here 2-point rectangle, we need to give the dimension. Dimension is from here to here 36 mm. One more dimension is asking. (72). Finish sketch. Select extrude 90 minus 25. In that flange, here some cutouts is there, that is 1 R30, and first I will do this cutout. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, R30, select line, give the dimension here to here 30 mm. From the top 24, whole center 48, 24 here to here 48, and diameter 60 mm. Select this center point, select this center point, give vertical constraint. Select line, take construction line, select these 3 lines, select mirror, select trim this portion, finish sketch, select extrude, select extrude cut, dimension depth is 12 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select circle diameter is 24 mm. Finish sketch, extrude, cut, through all, okay. Select this surface, sketch. You can see one slat cutout is there, that R 12 mm, length is 50 and from the side 24. Select line, diameter 24 mm, select line, give the dimension 50 mm, select, trim this first, select this and this, 24, okay, here to here 24. Select this one and select midpoint, give horizontal constraint, sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, through hull, click OK. So next bottom also one cutout is there, that depth is 6 mm, 72 mm and 50. Select this surface, sketch, here select rectangle, give the dimension 6, 72. Sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction up to 54 mm, 50 mm. So that's it, friends. If anything is missing, let me know in the comment box. Also we can assign materials here. Steel is there, coppers, aluminum. I assigned aluminum. Finishes, aluminum polished, blue. So color will also change. You can choose what color you want here. Different materials, finishes also will different. Aluminum and all basically they will give in the drawings. I will show you. Aluminum block, anodized block. This is usually, generally they will provide in the drawings, anodized block, anodized light gray, aluminum polished. This is normally they will brush the normal material, aluminum dark. So this is the aluminum material polishes. Okay, so and we can give some good colors here. You can see this is the plus symbol. Select the entire part, you can change color like this. So this is for color changing. And also if you select any finishes here, color will change like this. So save the part. So that's it from today's session. Thank you for watching this video. Also I am requesting all, please do subscribe my channel. Which color you want you can give, but I am going with I am going with light pink. Okay friends, thanks for watching once again.